Photoshop missing generative fill. So, if you have just opened your Photoshop, and you notice there is no generative AI function, even if you go to Edit, nor the window, contextual taskbar. Now open your Creative Cloud desktop. Notice the Photoshop is up to date. To enable generative AI, head over to Beta Apps. On the Beta Apps, click on Install Photoshop Beta. The installation should take a while. Once the installation is complete, head back over to Beta Apps. Make sure you are running the latest version of Photoshop Beta. Now, click on Open Photoshop Beta. You should be able to use the generative fill function on Photoshop. Click to make a selection. Notice now the generative fill is available. The fill should be functioning normally.